Hey guys, welcome back. In our last lecture, I showed you how to grab information, the weather data information from the internet and bring it to our Xcode. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how we're going to convert that data that we grabbed and convert it into a code that Xcode can understand. We're going to convert it into JSON. And to do that, we're going to need the help of a code called Swifty JSON. So I'm going to go to my URL and search for Swifty JSON. And it's going to be a GitHub project. And this is what we're going to use. Let me expand it a little so you can see it. This should be good enough. Now, really what we're going to be using is only one file. But when you go here, you can read the tutorials and everything what it's doing. It explains it thoroughly. But what we're going to do is go to it and download it. I'm not going to download it again because I already have a file. So I'm going to download it and drag it to our project. So let's do that. I have it in my downloads. And let's see where it is. It's under here. And we're going to go under source. And what we need is this Swifty JSON.swift file. So I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab it and drag it to our code. And then this is going to pop up. Choose options for adding these files. Destination is going to be copied. Add folders, create folder group, and we're just gonna add it to our target. So we can click this and click finished. So now it's successfully added. So this is our Swifty JSON. This is going to convert the data into information that we actually can read. So let's go back to the JSON, get the GitHub file. It has instructions of what we need to do in order to make it work. I didn't really have to import the swifty.json file, so I'm not going to have to do this, but what we're going to do is the one down here. So let's get to that. So this was only for testing purposes, so we can comment this out, the print function. So let's go here. So the information that we're trying to gather, we're going to use let.json. So let's type in let.j. Variable is going to be JSON. And we're going to grab the data, the NS data. We're going to grab this. And we're already calling it data, so we put data. Okay. Now, the type of data we're going to get is, one of them is going to be the longitude. And if you don't know how to code this, it has it on the Open Weather Map website. So let's go to that and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Go here, go to APIs, go to API documents. And what I'm talking about is down here for the parameters. Let me find it. So down here. I think I went too far down. Okay, yeah. So this is what we're going to be referring to. So I'm not going to go back and forth here because I already know the code, but I'm just giving you the location of where I'm finding this information from. So according to what it says, first we're going to put the variable, the JSON variable that we created, and want us to start off with coordinates. Type chord, another bracket, and put lawn, and this is going to be a double. And let's wrap this. Okay. So our Xcode can chill out a bit, shooting out the air. So now let's add a latitude. And it's going to be slightly similar. Chord. That. And this is going to be a double. And let's see what else we're going to add. Of course, we're going to add the temperature. So let temp equals to JSON. And this one's going to be different. This one's going to be main. Like I said, you can go to the open weather map website and it shows you exactly how you're supposed to code it in order for it to show correctly. And this one's also going to be a double. So now that we have everything that we want to present, we need to print it. So let's go to print, and it's going to be an item. So now let's print the lat. And since it's a double and we want to transfer it into a string, we have to put this. We want the longitude. And we want the temperature. And let's close the brackets. Okay. So now let's clean it, make sure everything's looking good. Alright. So now after we did this, we're going to test it out, see if it works, and we're going to build and run. Okay. So let's see if we did it correctly. City London. And it has the optional latitude. It has the longitude, and it has the temperature. It's recording the temperature in Kelvin. So we see it works right here. So let me do something else. I believe it's supposed to be wrapped. Let's build and run it again. I'm surprised I didn't catch that error. Well, it's not really error, it's more of a warning, but okay. So he still has it. It shows the latitude, longitude, and temperature. So we went over how the Swifty, how we converted. We converted by using this code, and we added it to our project, and now we print it out. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We're going to be adding a couple more stuff, like we're going to be adding the initiate file so we can have our application print out the information on our description and temperature. Okay, again, thank you for watching the video.